Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we talk about one of the most powerful truths of life. Attitude is everything. Many people believe that life is hard because of situations. They say life is unfair. They say people are lucky or unlucky. But the real difference in life is not situation. It is attitude. Two people can face the same problem. One grows stronger. The other feels broken. The situation is the same. The attitude is different. Your attitude decides how you wake up in the morning. It decides how you react to problems. It decides how long you stay stuck. Some people wake up already tired, not because life is heavy, but because their attitude is heavy. They expect failure. They expect problems. They expect disappointment. So when difficulty comes, they say, "I knew it." Other people wake up with a calm mind. They know problems will come, but they also believe they can handle them. That belief changes everything. Attitude is not about pretending life is perfect. Attitude is about choosing how you respond when life is not perfect. Every day, life gives you situations. You cannot control all of them, but you can always control your attitude. A negative attitude turns small problems into big ones. A strong attitude turns big problems into lessons. Think about failure. Some people see failure as proof that they are not good enough. They stop trying. They feel ashamed. They stay silent. Other people see failure as feedback. They learn. They adjust. They move forward. Same failure, different attitude. Your attitude decides whether you grow or give up. Many people wait for life to change before they change their attitude. But life changes after attitude changes. If you believe you cannot improve, you will not practice. If you believe English is too hard, you will avoid speaking. If you believe you always fail, you will stop trying. Attitude becomes a habit. Habits become a lifestyle. Lifestyle becomes your future. That is why attitude matters more than talent, more than intelligence, more than luck. Talent without the right attitude gets wasted. Intelligence without the right attitude stays silent. Luck without the right attitude disappears. Attitude is the foundation. Look at people who succeed slowly. They struggle. They make mistakes. But they keep going. Not because they are special, but because their attitude supports them. They say, "I will learn." They say, "I will improve." They say, "This is temporary." That inner voice matters. Now think about this. Every situation in life has two meanings. One meaning that weakens you. One meaning that strengthens you. Your attitude chooses the meaning. When something goes wrong, you can say, "Why me?" Or you can say, "What can this teach me?" One question makes you powerless. The other gives you control. Attitude changes questions. Questions change actions. Actions change results. That is why two people can live in the same world but experience completely different lives. One feels defeated. The other feels hopeful. Same world, different attitude. Attitude is not something you are born with. It is something you build. You build it through awareness, through repetition, through daily choices. When you choose patience over anger, when you choose effort over excuses, when you choose learning over quitting, slowly your attitude shifts. And when attitude shifts, everything else follows. Your confidence improves. Your English improves. Your discipline improves. Not because life became easy, but because you became stronger. Attitude does not remove problems. It changes how problems affect you. With the wrong attitude, one problem can stop your entire life. With the right attitude, one problem becomes one step in your journey. That is the power of attitude. And this is why attitude is everything. Most people think attitude is just positive thinking. They believe attitude means smiling all the time and pretending everything is fine. That is not true. Real attitude is how you act when things are not fine. When you fail, when you are tired, when no one supports you. That is when attitude shows its true power. A negative attitude says, I can't do this. It's too hard. I'm not made for this. A growth attitude says, I will learn. I will improve. I may be slow, but I won't stop. Both attitudes feel real. But only one moves you forward. Negative attitude focuses on problems. Growth attitude focuses on solutions. Negative attitude looks for excuses. Growth attitude looks for effort. Negative attitude waits for motivation. Growth attitude builds discipline. That is the difference. Every time you say, I will try later, your attitude becomes weaker. Every time you say, I will do a little today, your attitude becomes stronger. Small choices shape mindset. Now think about English learning. Many people say, I'm bad at English. I feel shy. I make mistakes. That is not an English problem. That is an attitude problem. Mistakes are part of learning. Silence is part of failure. When you change your attitude, learning becomes easier. Instead of saying, I'm embarrassed, you say, I'm practicing. Instead of saying, people will judge me, you say, I'm improving. That shift changes everything. A growth attitude turns fear into progress. You stop waiting to feel confident. You start acting confident. And confidence grows through action. The same rule applies to life. Life does not reward comfort. It rewards consistency. People with the right attitude do not have easier lives. They have stronger responses. They fall. They feel pain. But they don't stay down. They understand something important. Attitude does not remove struggle. It gives you control inside struggle. Now here is the truth most people avoid. Your attitude is trained by what you do every day. If you complain daily, complaining becomes natural. If you avoid challenges, fear becomes normal. If you choose effort daily, strength becomes normal. Attitude is a habit, and habits are built slowly. That is why changing attitude does not happen in one day. It happens when you choose effort even when you don't feel like it. Now think about discipline. Discipline is attitude in action. When you wake up tired and still study, that is attitude. When you fail and still try again, that is attitude. When you feel lazy and still practice English, that is attitude. Discipline is not punishment. It is self-respect. People with strong attitudes respect their future. They do small things daily because they know small actions compound. 10 minutes of practice, 1 page of reading, 1 attempt at speaking. These actions look small, but they build momentum. Momentum builds belief. Belief builds identity. And identity changes life. That is how attitude improves English fluency. Not through pressure, but through consistency. Not through perfection, but through progress. You don't need talent. You need patience. You don't need confidence. You need commitment. Your attitude decides whether you quit or continue. And the people who continue always win in the long run. Not because they were fast, but because they were steady. That is the quiet power of attitude. And now think about this. Your attitude today is creating your tomorrow. Not suddenly, not magically, but slowly, quietly, through daily choices. Life will not ask if you are ready. Problems will still come. Delays will still happen. People may still doubt you. But attitude decides how deeply those things affect you. With a wrong attitude, one bad day feels like a bad life. With a right attitude, one bad day is just one bad day. Attitude gives you perspective. It reminds you that today is not forever, that mistakes are not the end, that progress is not always loud. Some days your only victory will be that you did not quit, and that is enough. You don't need to change everything at once. You don't need to become perfect. You don't need to feel confident every day. You just need to stay consistent. Consistency is attitude in motion, showing up when it's boring, practicing when results are slow, trying again when no one notices. That is real strength. People often wait for life to motivate them. But life responds to action, not wishes. When you change your attitude, your actions change. When your actions change, your habits change. And when habits change, your life follows. This is how real transformation happens. Quietly, gradually, honestly. So the next time life feels heavy, pause and check your attitude. Ask yourself, how am I choosing to see this? Because attitude is not about ignoring pain. It is about choosing growth inside pain. And that choice is always yours. Stay patient, stay disciplined, stay hopeful. Because with the right attitude, nothing can stop your progress. And that is why attitude is everything.